Hello, I'm David Mays, and this is another episode of Amazing Life. This video is dedicated to anyone looking to purchase Clearwater Lights for either their 4x4 or their motorcycle, and they're trying to decide which is the best for their needs. Now, I've been using Clearwater Lights on the motorcycle now for several years, and I've had them on my Jeep for about a year. I personally believe they're the best in the industry. Now, many of you in the motorcycle industry have likely heard of Clearwater Lights. They're kind of the de facto standard for adventure bikes specifically, but obviously all the road bikes and everything else, especially in BMW. Other manufacturers tend to try to live up to what Clearwater has done, especially in the motorcycle industry. Now, several things make Clearwater unique to other companies, in my opinion. Number one, they're American made. They're made there locally in Sacramento, California, and they provide top-level support, meaning that you can, when you get a person on the phone, they either sat next to the person who helped put your lights together or they did it themselves. That's a big deal these days. Number two, they have a very low power draw per lumen, okay? And so that means a lot whether you are looking at a motorcycle which has a stator or side-by-side, which is basically a motorcycle on four wheels. They don't have a full-blown alternator most of the time, so less draw means less strain on your vehicle. But it still matters on the 4x4 because it means you can have more lights and still less pull on your alternator. Number three is ruggedness. Motorcycles have a tendency to fall over. Mine does often. Having your lights be able to withstand that rigor of adventure riding makes the difference in either buying once, crying once, or literally crying every time you drop your bike. Number four, they're infinitely dimmable. Being able to control the brightness with a rheostat knob in the Jeep or on bikes that don't have the integration that the BMW does, it means that you can fine-tune based on your needs, and that's a big deal. Number five is specialized features. They've got integration that integrate with your horn, so when you push the horn, they flash, or daylight, nighttime, brightness levels. All these features are available depending on the specific vehicle that you install it on. Like the BMW has probably the most integration of any of the vehicles out there because of the computers that are built into the BMW. Now, for more information on Clearwater Lights, I'm going to link it up here. But also, if you'd like to know the origins of Clearwater, check this video out. I'll post it as well. Now, the rest of this video is designed to be used as a tool, not necessarily just one that you just hang out and watch, but as a tool to help you decide which combination of lights of the Clearwater are going to be best for your setup. Now, this first portion provides the technical features of the light models and provide examples of each light in the real world. And I've also measured distances to show you where that light throw kind of starts and stops. After that, we're going to go through each of the lights in combinations while moving so that you can get a better feel for which setup's going to work best for you. This is where taking the playhead and scrubbing back and forth in the video might be your best bet if you're trying to decide between a couple of different models. Now also, try to view this in the highest resolution that you can, best even on a bigger screen. It's going to make a huge difference in your viewing quality. All right, so let's get started. Starting with the Krista line of lights, they come in at 3,000 lumens per light, and they offer a 8-degree spot, a fog, or a combo optic. Now also, the camera settings on all of this has been taken in a static scenario so that hopefully it gives you an honest representation of what you're going to expect on your vehicle. Next up, we have the Erica line, which offers 6,000 lumens per light. Now, Erica lights project a full 45-degree driving beam, providing corner illumination, but also close as well as distance lighting capability. And then finally, we have the Sevina. Now, the Sevina offers 7,500 lumens per light and is offered with 8-degree spot, fog, or combo optics. Now, not shown here, but now available is the Super Sevina, which actually has 10,000 lumens each. Now, you can also get them in the Dixie format, which is also 10,000 lumens. Now, Let's review the different combinations with the Krista series as the primary lighting configuration. Erica lighting as primary provides stronger downrange pattern, allowing you to have an option between Krista and Sevina with strong performance. These lights are perfect for motorcycles as well as placing on A-pillar on 4x4 vehicles, or they can act as their primary lights on smaller RZR vehicles. The Sevina line works well as the primary lighting with Kristas, Ericas, or Sevinas, providing auxiliary lighting depending on your need. All right, now let's take a drive and see real world what these combinations look like while you're moving. Now bear in mind the camera can only do so much. Honestly, all of these lights looked better in real life than they did on the camera, but hopefully this will give you an idea of the differences. Also take into consideration, I have all OEM lighting turned off in all of these scenarios. Now, your particular style of driving can make a huge difference in which lighting system you need for your vehicle. The more varied the need, the more lighting configurations that are available to support those needs. For further help deciding your best lighting solution, call Clearwater and they can give you support regarding what are you trying to do, what are you trying to light, what kind of lighting do you do, and that'll help a lot. All right, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you found this useful as you seek out to decide which is the best lighting option that you're looking for your rig. We all do different things, and I do a lot of woods riding. Some guys do a lot of Baja, desert riding, faster pace, stuff like that. And so it really does make a difference in what kind of beam pattern that you're looking for, etc. But that's it for now. Until next time, as always, make life amazing.